ನಾನು ಬ್ರೌನಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ನೀನು ಆಟದಿಂದ ಬರೋ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಕಾಯತ್ತಿದೆ ಇಷ್ಟರ ಟೇಸ್ಟಿ ಆಗಿ.
ಚಿಕ್ಕಿ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಇಟ್ಬೇಡ ಚಿಕ್ಕಿ, ಕೈ ಕಾಲ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕಕ್ಕ ಏನು ನೀನು ಮಾಡತ್ತಿ?
ನಮಗೂ ಕೊಡ್ರೆ ಬ್ರೌನಿ.
ಓಕೆ ತಗೊಂಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೆಯಾ?
ಚಿಕ್ಕಿ ತಗೊಂಬ ಚಿಕ್ಕಿ ಜಲ್ದಿ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಇವತ್ತು ಚಿಕ್ಕಿ ಬ್ರೌನಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಏನೋ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ. ನೀನು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನಮಗೂ ಕೊಡ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ತಿನ್ನೋಣ.
ಹೆಂಗೈತಿ? ಸೊ ಇದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಬ್ರೌನಿ ಇದು.
ಚಿಕ್ಕಿ ನಾವೇನಾರ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ.
ಕಲ್ಕೋ ರಜಿ ಇವಿ ಕಲ್ಕೋ ಅದನ್ನ.
ಓಕೆ ಗ್ರೇಟ್. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀನು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನು ಆಸಮ್ ಬ್ಲಾಸಮ್ ನೀನು ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ನ್ಯೂ ಇಯರಿಗೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಮಸ್ತ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ಗೆ
ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್
ಹಾಲಿಡೇ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್.
ಹಾಲಿಡೇ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗುಡ್. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ.
ನಾನೇನು
So the first ingredient is sweetened dark chocolate, yum, cocoa powder, maida or all-purpose flour, sugar, brown and white sugar, curd as we are not using the egg, and milk, and soda. Then we also have our baking powder. Then last one, which is lots of butter. You'll see the description what I have written. See.
So first let's keep the dark chocolate for melting with some butter. Okay, once that is melting on the other side, let's start mixing our dry ingredients. First one is maida. Keep checking on the dark chocolate if it's melting well. Add cocoa powder to it. Give it a nice mix. Remember we are using 3/4 cup of cocoa powder here. Give it a nice mix so that both the ingredients mix really well. You can strain the mix as well. Once this is mixed well, only then add sugar, brown sugar and white sugar. Okay, give that also a nice mix because there might be some lumps in the sugar. So once that is done, you can add curd to it. Okay, curd is the substitute for egg here because we are doing the eggless brownie. Then you can add half teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Soda will be a little less than baking powder. Okay, once these are done, give it a nice mix. It's spilled. Okay, let's clean it. And our chocolate is melting really well on the other side in double boiler method, so that's good. And now we have kept the chocolate for cooling. Let's mix the chocolate as well to our mixture. Okay, give it a nice yummy mix. And you can adjust the consistency by adding milk. Okay, the consistency has to be this much. I'll show you it. Yeah, so see, that much should be the consistency. But as the chocolate cools, it will become viscous. So that is the reason you should keep adding a little more milk to adjust its consistency to the previous consistency. Okay, here we are using a Mayer's openable pan, so let's just line the bottom. Here I have used aluminium foil. You can use a parchment paper as well. Let's add the mixture and let's keep it in the preheated oven. The more you preheat, the better off it is. Our yummy brownie is inside the oven. Let's see what are the settings. Okay, the temperature we are going to keep at 200 degrees Celsius and both the coils heating. Okay, and the fan is going to be on so that it circulates the heat inside, and then we are keeping it for like 30 minutes. Okay, after 30 minutes you just see if your brownie is completely baked, and if it is completely baked then great, otherwise you increase it for 10 more minutes. And time depends on what kind of OTG you're using. Like if it is of a higher grade, it will take lesser time. Okay, the second factor is going to be your pan, what you're using. Here we have used a Mayer's pan, which is said to be of a rapid heating process. Okay, so we need lesser time. And the third one is how much brownie you have. We just have one measure, 1 cup of brownie. For that, it usually takes 30 minutes. Okay, If you're doing for like 3 or 4 cups, it is going to take a little more time. And if you're doing it in non-aluminium pan, it will take even more time. So the best thing to do is keep it for like 25 to 30 minutes. Let it cool a little, take it out, see if your brownie is completely baked, and you can keep it out. And when you have to see if it is baked or not, you have to remember this is a chocolate fudge brownie. So it is going to have lots of chocolate in it, which you might feel it is still not baked, but it is going to be chocolate. Okay, so when you take it in and take a spoon or something in and fork in and take it out, you can see that it is chocolate and not maida.
Please say this is not gonna take long. But we can make something very easy. This then as tasty as this brownie.
I actually have a perfect recipe for that, okay, which is called like the midnight Netflix thing, okay. It is 1 minute brownie. It is going to be like a mug brownie, okay. So mug brownie, you just have to make sure it is a microwave oven safe. The great thing is you don't need a OTG for it. You just have to have like a microwave oven, okay. So what are the things you need? 1 spoon of maida, 1 spoon of cocoa powder, and then you need a little bit of either baking soda or baking powder, like about 1/4 spoon, okay. And then you can just add white sugar in it. You don't need brown sugar, it is just household sugar. And then you can put some butter, okay, and then some milk to adjust the consistency. We'll quickly do that. Then let's mix, and Gauri is getting us some very nice dark chocolate. This is just additional because we are putting it. It is okay if you don't have it, okay. Let's sprinkle some lots and lots of dark chocolate.
Here goes our brownie inside the oven for 1 minute. Yay!
So this was our quickest choco lava cake brownie, which just takes 1 minute and what, about 4 to 5 ingredients? Yeah, it's very easy. Yeah. So you can eat this with some yummy vanilla ice cream or chocolate ice cream and watch some nice Christmas movie or a holiday movie for the season.
Chicky, let's check on our big brownie.
Oh yes, time's up. Let's wear oven mittens. Looks like it's done.
Yes, it smells yummy. I just want to eat it.
Okay, let's check slowly. It will be very hot. When you are doing, you have to remove it very carefully, okay?
Yeah.
Now let's check in the middle if it is done completely. Yes, it's completely clean. On the sides,
Yay!
it's clean as well. So yeah, it is done.
Yay! Let's eat.
No, wait. Wait for 4 to 5 hours. Let it completely cool for the best taste, okay?
Oh, okay. So it's the next day and we're gonna cut the brownie fudge brownie fudge, chocolate fudge brownie.
Hey.
Yeah! Onjo Chicky. Hey awesome! Hope you loved both recipes and don't forget to comment down below which one was your favorite. Mine was both of them. I loved cooking it with my Chicky. And for more such videos, like, share
and
and
subscribe to the amazing YouTuber of mine.
Yay!